Hi students, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to cover revision test 2 of chapter 2 sets, 4 pair of linear equations, 10 chapter mensuration, 11 trigonometry. Okay, till now we discussed part A, that is section 1, section 2, okay, and section 3 left out, guys. We'll discuss that one, but meanwhile we are going to discuss the part B. Okay, now if every element of set A is also every element of set B, so how you write? That is A is subset to B. Okay, if A is a part of B, then every element of set A is also every element in set B, students. So that is option C, guys. So the pair of linear equations a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 as unique solution. What is condition for unique solution, students? Students, what is condition for unique solution? A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, right? So option A. Next one. If a solid of one space is converted into another solid, then the volume of new solid, it remains same, students, because whatever the solid it may be, the volume will remain the same. Okay, that is option A. If sin theta equal to 24 by 25, theta lies in first quadrant, then secant theta plus tan theta equal to, students, it become 7, because theta lies in first quadrant, therefore all are positive, students. Okay, option not given, that is we get 7, students, if you simplify. Okay, now what is a minus b? A minus a and a minus b. What is it? A minus a and a but not b. A minus a is null set, right? And a but not b. So we get null set. Okay, there is option B, students. Now, if x equal to 1, then the value of y satisfying 5 by x plus 3 by y equal to 6 is, substitute x equal to 1, students. What we get? We get 3. Okay, you simplify, you get x equal to y equal to 3, students. Now, in the figure, L square, L is called as slant height, right, from cone. So what is L square formula? L square equal to under root of h square plus r square. Option A, students. Okay, now what is 8th one? Secant square theta cosecant square theta whole root. Okay, that can be written as secant theta into, students, option D, because there is a square for both, right? We can write as a whole, secant theta into cosecant theta root whole square, right? The square root get cancelled, we get secant theta into cosecant theta. That is option D, students. Okay, now if set A equal to 1 2 2 1 3 4 3 4, the number of elements in set A. In set, students, in sets we don't take the repeated values, right? We take only one unique values. Okay, now how many elements are there in the set A? 1 2 3 4. We have only four elements, right? Therefore that is number of elements in set A is 4. The value of k for which a system of equations kx plus 3y equal to 1, 12x plus ky equal to 2 has no solution. Student, when for which equations we don't have no solution? For parallel lines, right? Okay, so take down the parallel lines condition and simplify, find the value of k, students. Okay, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Okay, k by 12 equal to 3 by k. Okay, k square equal to 36, students. K equal to plus or minus 6, that equal to minus 6 or plus 6. Plus 6 is not given, so take minus 6. Option D, students. Okay, now we go for next one. 11th one. The volume of cone with radius 3 and height 7 centimeters. Volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h, students. Okay, so if you simplify, you get option B, 66 centimeter cube. Okay, if cosecant theta equal to 2, cot theta equal to root 3 p, then theta is an acute angle, then the value of p is, okay, now theta value equal to 1, students. Okay, cosecant is nothing but reciprocal of sine, right? Okay, so what is sine 1 by 2? it is sin 30. It is theta value equal 30 students. Okay. So cot 30 also equal to root 3. Therefore, the p value will be 1 students. Understood? Now, if secant theta equal to 3k, tan theta equal to 3 by k, then k square minus 1 by k square. If you simplify, you get 1 by 9 students. K square minus 1 by k square. If you simplify, you get 1 by 9. The volume of cube is 216 centimeter cube. Then the edge of it is in dash centimeter. Okay. Now, volume of cube is v equal to a cube, right? So find the side. We get d students because side a cube, no? So how can you write 216 as a cube format? 6 cube. 6 into 6 into 6. We get 216 only. That is option D, students. So if x minus y equal to 0, 2x minus y equal to 2, then the value of y is y equal to. Simplify. No need of simplifying because no constant. This can be written as x equal to y, no? In place of x, replace by y and simplify. We get y equal to 2, students. That is option B. If a equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, set b equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, then n of a u b. Number of elements. So the number of elements is a union b. If you combine, what we get, students? This one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many elements? Number of elements in a union b. 8 elements. But that was not given option. So option will be, the answer will be 8, students. Now, n of a minus b union b minus a. If a minus b union b minus a, then which of the following statement is correct? Second one, students. A union b minus a intersection b. Okay. Now, the equation x minus 4y equal to 5 as infinite solution. If we are speaking about only single solution, we get many solutions, students. Okay. There is infinitely many solutions. Now, 19th one. Sin power 4a minus cos power 4a by sin power a minus cos square a. Okay. If you simplify, we get option B because sin power 4 can be written as sin square whole square minus cos square whole square, right? Now, denominator part can be written as a square into a plus b into a minus b form. Okay, or else you can keep denominator part as it is. Numerator part sin square whole square minus cos square whole square. That is also in the form of a square minus b square, right? Now it becomes sin square minus cos square into sin square a plus cos square a. Now sin square a minus cos square a get cancelled. What is left out? Sin square a plus cos square a left out. Option B, students. Okay. What is TSA? TSA of adjacent figure. There was a cone and hemisphere is surmounted on that. So what is that formula called? We have to find the TSA of cone, curved surface of TSA of cone and TSA of hemisphere, students. So formula is D, 3 pi r square plus pi r into r plus l, students. Okay. I hope you understand this objective bits. Please practice this. For any doubt, you can bring me. Okay, thank you for watching.